Hey, this is David here for Bear Creek Bikes. I am showing off my new custom 1.9 single speed. This thing is the 2012 1.9 aluminum single speed or geared frame, running a 32-18 gear ratio, E13 Cranks. I got a SRAM PC7X chain, 18 tooth Niner Cog. We got Industry 9 single speed specific wheel, bolt on the rear. My favorite part of the bike is the Niner RDO seat post. That thing just makes the bike so comfortable, really fun to ride. Physique saddle, very comfortable. Like an arrow, just flies through the trails. This is the RDO Niner carbon tapered fork. Super stiff, lightweight. This whole bike weighs in at just 20 pounds on the scales. Thomson polished stem, Niner carbon bar. Got the bell. And Shimano XT SPD pedals, all my choice. This is my baby. I love it. It rides like a dream. Pretty much every part on here is built for ripping and tearing, and still 20 pounds. Pretty awesome. This is David for Bear Creek Bikes. Come check us out. Dalton, Georgia. SRAM XO brakes, 7 in the front, 6 in the rear. This bike is a freaking rocket ship. It is just point and shoot. Probably the fastest by far handling bike I've ever ridden, hands down. It's just it's awesome, mind blowing. David for Bear Creek Bikes. Come down to our shop and check out all the cool bikes we got to offer. Custom Niners, we know how to do them upright. We build them how you like. Bear Creek Bikes.